Melody here with Build Show, and today we're going to talk about something fun that you can do with drywall. So this is probably one of the coolest things I've ever gotten. This is my logo in drywall and Trimtex. So Trimtex made this for me. I was super surprised, super freaking cool. This is actually just made on drywall board. So how did they do this? Great question. Vinyl corner bead. I feel like vinyl is not quite as popular in the States as it is in Canada or other areas. It's kind of taking a little bit longer to catch on here. People are like, I don't want vinyl, but it actually is a fantastic product, and it definitely can be used for some really cool architectural features, arches, curves, all sorts of crazy stuff you can do with vinyl beads. This entire thing is all made with vinyl, and then it's just on 1/2-inch drywall. And then they just finished it out and painted it. I mean, think about if you can do a logo like this with vinyl, and they have crazy stuff in the Trimtex office that they've done. Logos they've created, all sorts of art and neat stuff that you can do with drywall using vinyl bead. So I have a couple sticks here. I'm gonna grab those and we'll kind of go over what they look like, some simple install tricks, and then just some highs and lows about using vinyl corner bead. So the cool thing about vinyl, obviously, is you can do a lot of stuff with this. This is kind of their arch bead here. So it comes in straight or it comes in bullnose. I think there's a couple different options, but as you can see, it's incredibly flexible. You can't do this with metal corner bead. I don't even know if there is an arch option for metal bead, maybe. I've never seen it, we've always used vinyl. But what's awesome is you can just kind of do some crazy shapes with this. Being vinyl, it's a little more moldable. So you can kind of get it where you want it to. These little tabs here just get mudded in, and then you have a nice finish, and you can create all sorts of arches, different shapes, different things you can do with it. It really is a super cool product. What's really important about vinyl is depending on what vinyl you're using is going to depend on how you install it. You need to use spray adhesive with these ones. There are a different option. There is a mud set Trimtex version. This is not mud set. This is spray adhesive. So we use 847, and you're going to go ahead and spray the bead, and you're going to spray your drywall board so that you have the ball in there. Typically with these guys too, we also do some mesh or some 5FUs, and then make sure it has like a little extra bond. And then you can use staples just to make sure you have all these little notches down and everything's tacked down and flat. But it's not bad. You just kind of spray the adhesive on the arch, and then you just go straight on the wall. And there are other companies too that make vinyl. It's not just Trimtex. Clark Dietrich also makes vinyl. I believe Phillips makes a vinyl. There's a couple different options out there. So even if you just are like, I really want to try this and mess around, you can get all sorts of different brands, and most places do carry some sort of arch or vinyl corner bead.